Hello friends, let's learn today boolean algebra k mapping. So k mapping can be done in we have so many of them. Among them, let's see the two variables we will have maximum 4, and for three variables we will have maximum 8. For four variables we will have maximum 16. We will have maximum 16. So let's talk about two variables. If we are looking at the two variables, then here we can see in two variables, let's take the one variable as x and another was y. And then when we talk about this x and y, we can get, so it's very simple for k mapping. We can write here m0, m1, m2 and m3. So we know all this boolean algebra is dealing with only zeros and one. So we have here 0 value, and we have to just write the numbers 0 1 1 0 1 1. So we know as per the binomial, this is 0 1, this is 2, this is 3. So this is what here we can write. This x is here represented by x and here represented by x naught. So x naught is nothing but 0, x is nothing but 1. So these first letters are denoted by this 1, and here we can go for y prime or y naught and y. So this y represents 0 0, and this y represents 1 1. So here y prime 0, y prime 0. So that's what we write for this boolean k mapping for 2. If we go for the three variables, we can just make another map where we can just make it a table which has again 2, that is 1 x we can write in the bottom, whereas we can write it x y z on the top. So we are writing this x and this as x prime or x naught, whereas this side y and yz. So let's see this mapping. Over here we have how many? 1 2 3 4. So we have 4. Now here let's see what we can do. This is y and yz. So here let's write the numbers so that we can write these letters. Here let's write three numbers 1 2 3. These are again, once again I would like to say, these are the just binomial number. So when we go for binary numbers, here you can just check out this is for this, and these two are representing these two. So obviously it will be here, it will be y prime and z prime, that we know now. Now here we write 0 0 1. For 0 0 1 we will have this is again x prime, first 0, second prime 0 is for this one, and third one is for this one. So third one is only z, that's why it will be y and z prime will be here for this. And now go for 3 and 2. Here we'll write 3 m3 and m2. Okay, we have to remember the order. So first one is 0, second one is 1, then we have a 3 and then 2. So this is the first line, and then second line we have to remember this is the 4, then this is 5, then this is 6, and this is 7. So here the order is changing in this row. So you have to remember these two. If you by heart these, then the order making will be easy. So remember, this is, you have to write this in binary system here 0 0 1, and then for 3 what we write is 0 1 1, that is 3 1 1, and 2 is we write as 0 1 0. Similarly over here, if you write, we write this 4 as 1 0 0, this is binary 4, and 1 0 1 binary 5. Now 7 is 1 1 1, and 6 is 1 1 0. So we know the my binary digits, we wrote it over here. Now just try to make these alphabets over there. Let's see what we are going to get. So when we are looking after this, just here what we write, this x prime is 0, and now these two are same without any 0, that means it will be y and z. So over here we'll have 0, that means here it is only 1, that is y, and here z prime. So I think we are very clear what we wrote. And over here let's see, so here it is x, so over here x, this is x, and these both are 0, that means these two will be the same, right? And this one here it is x, so it's x and 0 1, so this is also right. And this one, this is x y z, so this is also right. So here we have x, and then another y, and this. So we got all just by writing this on the top and writing this the bottom, we could get a 2 to the power of 3 k mapping. So this is now let's go with 2 to the power of 4, that is 4 by 4 k mapping. So let's learn about 4 by 4 k mapping. Here we have how many? We have a little more, so we may not be able to write inside. Let's make little bigger one so that we can accommodate all of them. Let's see how to make the co mapping of this. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we have 16 boxes because we have 2 to the 4, that is 16. For this we have xy here and zw here, so we have two letters, we are writing it 2 2. So let's see now what we can do with this. Here how we are doing here, remember the order. This is m0, this is m1, then this is m3, and then this is m2. So this is what the order is. And then here m4, and then this is m5, this is m7, and this is m6. So this order you have to by heart. And then when we come to this, we will start next the last order, and then we'll go back to this order. So remember that also. So here m6 is there, now here will be m7, and then m8, then you know m9 will be here, and m10 will be here. Yes, here we got 7 already, we got here 7. So this will be m8, this will be m9, and then m10 will be here, and m11 will be here. I think I am very clear what I did and what I made the change. So over here when you see, here you see m6, m7 was there here, so here will be m8, here will be m9, and here will be m10, and here will be m11. This will be shift always. So over here it is m11. Now here it will become m12, then m13 here, m14 here, and m15 here. So I think you understood the last shifting. This everybody has to remember. And here also you know that first we wrote m8 here, and then we wrote here. So if you write this, our writing portion is done. Now let's come with the zeros and ones. That's more important than writing xyz. It can be a b c d, or it can be x y z w. So don't get confused with the variables, just go with the numbers. That's what is important. Over here when you talk, it's m0, that's why it will, from these two also will be 0, and these two also will be 0. So we got it. Now over here m1 is there, so we know that the alphabets you need to just simply write it down. So that's 0 0 0 1 we got here, and then it is 3 here. 3 means you know 0 0 1 1, and here 2 means we know 0 0 1 0. Now we know 4 means what it is, 1, yes, 1 1 0 0. Is it 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0? That's what 4 is. 4 0 does not count, that's what it will come from here. And then over here when we talk, what we get here, here is 5, so 0 1 0 1. So here 7 0 1 1 1, 6 0 1 1 0. So that's what is 6 is. And then let's go with the 8, you know it's nothing but 1 0 0 0, that is 8. 9 1 0 0 1 is 9, and 10 we know 1 0 1 0, and 11 we know 1 1 0 0. So 1 sorry 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 is 10. That means here 11 is 1 0 1 1. So 1 only we will add here. That's what I think I corrected this also, 1 1. Now 12 is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. This is 12. Now 13 is 1 1 0 1. Then 14 is 1 1 1 0, and 15 is 1 1 1 1. So I think we got the values over here. It's very clean and clear. Now if you want to write the alphabets over this side and this side, you can write down for each one of them. That's not a problem. I know here it's all the dashes, x prime, y prime, z prime, w prime we'll get. That's what we get here, right? So that's why if you want to write for all this letter, is this all primes letters, so we can write that inside. And outside if you want to write, you can write here what it is. Here it is z prime and w prime, here it is x prime and y prime, and over here it is these two letters. These two letters are x and y. X is x prime and y. Over here you know these two are the x y, and over here these two are the letters, so it is x and y prime. So that's what these two letters are. So similarly these letters we got already, so this is done. Now this side what it is, let's see, x prime and x prime. So that's what these two are. That means these two will be z prime and w. This is z prime and w, and this one is how we get these two are these two. So these two ones are nothing but is this one, so both are same, so zw. So over here when we talk about this, here we know these two are these two, that's why last two will be these two. So z and then the w prime. I think we are clear how we got this. So now you combine all of them, you will get these values. What values you have to write over here? So you let me write it with red pen so that we will understand more. So I am very clear over here. What is over here when we say it's x prime, y prime, z prime and w prime. Over here what it is there? X prime, y prime, z prime, w. What is here? X prime, y prime, z w. What is here? X prime, y prime, z w prime. What is here? What is here? X prime, y, z prime, w prime. What is here? X prime, y, z prime, w. What is here? X prime, y, z w. What is here? X prime, y, z w prime. What is here? X y z prime w prime. What is here? X y z prime w. What is here? X y z w. What is here? X y z w prime. What is here? X prime z prime w prime. What is here? X prime z prime w. What is here? X y prime z w. What is here? X y prime z w prime. So I think we got the letters also over here, friends. So it was very easy to explain you about k mapping of 4 into 4. So I know looks little complicated, but it's easy. So just what we have to do is, this is one k mapping for 2, and this is for, you can say, 3, and this is for 4. So 4 into 4, okay, this is 2 into 3, 2 let's say 2 to the power of 3 wala k mapping, and this one is 2 to the power of 2, and this is 2 to the power of 4 k mapping. So this is very important. Okay, everybody need to know how to flowchart so that you can do the problems. In problems I will be solving in next class. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye, take care everybody, love you everybody.